Hello, in this video we're gonna check if we can install GCam on Samsung Galaxy M55 5G. Let's open the Play Store and then we want to find an app that is called GCam APK. This one. Let's install it, and this app will answer the question if it is possible to actually install the GCam on this device. So once we install it, then of course we need to open it. Alright, and then let's press open. Now, over here we can see that the camera to API module is enabled on our device, so technically it could be possible to install GCam. However, the GCam itself is not available yet for this device. It was not found, as you can read over here on this side of the screen. So we can only request GCam in order to be added to this app, or we can try to get GCam from similar device. However, as you can see, there is no similar device, so we cannot really install a GCam, at least yet, on this device. Feel free to download this app and check for yourself if you are watching this video much later than it was posted. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!